Hello everyone, Teacher Damien here from the Creative Edu Academy. And today, in this video, I will be introducing you all to one of our courses at the Creative Edu Academy, which is specifically made for children, especially children aged from 3 to 6 years old. So, in front of me here, we have the Cambridge English Early Year Learning course that we here offer at the Creative Edu Academy. It's pros that it's focused on making you learn, especially in an interactive environment. We have interactive games and tons of role playing for your child, and we also have plenty and plenty of songs and action boards for you to learn English with. I mean, your child. So, we're looking into this course, and four of these are the main components of them. We have interactive games, we have songs, we have Greenman Story Adventures, and we have basic conversation practice that we focus on for your child here at the Creative Edu Academy. So, what are you waiting for? Come and register your child now, 3 to 6 years old only, and we will help them become much fluent English speaker and be able to communicate in the English language. I'll see you here. Goodbye.